I'm Dan Miner, a customer service representative, and I've been here about 8 years. When it comes to supporting drivers, it's my job to make sure that we have all of the information that's absolutely necessary for them to be successful. They're out on the road. They don't have the direct contact with the customers that I have. It's my job to make sure I know exactly where they're going, when to be there, who to talk to, or anything that they need to do so that they can get in, get offloaded, get out, get home, get paid. In my position, the most useful skill that you're going to have is building relationships with people and having great communication. That's all I do all day long. The industry that I'm in isn't going anywhere. That's what I'm excited about. No robot is going to take my position. You know, as hard as they may try, they're going to need my position filled. It may not be by me, but it'll be by someone, right? It is completely pivotal. It has to happen. Somebody has to be there to talk to the customer, to talk to the driver's manager, to be the liaison to make this whole thing work. Everybody has their role, and I'm kind of the monkey in the middle that has to help piece the puzzle together from both ends. This is what we need as a company. This is what the customer needs. How do we marry that? Someone has to be there to do that. So I've got all the job security in the world.